Hey, it's Coach Jeff again with All In Christian Counseling. As you might know, toxins in various forms can destroy our gut health. These toxins are everywhere in our culture. According to one of my favorite physicians, Dr. Mark Hyman, there are 4 steps to restoring our gut health that can aid our battle against anxiety and depression. The first step is to remove the bad stuff, like the toxins that I mentioned earlier. There's some really good herbs and supplements that'll help us with this step. Step 2 is to replace with good stuff, like high fiber foods and prebiotic foods. Step 3 is to reinoculate with these things called probiotics. You've probably heard of those. It's an absolute necessity for every American, no matter what state you're watching this video from. The next quick video will finish up our discussion on the important linkage between gut health and brain health. We'll discuss the 4th step in Dr. Mark Hyman's process and how these steps can make a significant difference in our mental health. This is Coach Jeff. I want to help you, but I'm reminding you, be well.